Magandang umaga, guys.
Good morning. Nowadays every day is packing.
Yeah.
Yeah. Finishing almost.
Yeah. Kanina pa yan, sir, guys. Si Daddy Ram nagpapak.
Free by, before you leave in.
Yeah. The basketballs, Daddy, you'll send to Gudem?
Yeah, not ask my wife.
Yeah.
You can have there's so many there.
Yeah. Oh my God. In Philippines,
The cousins happy to be.
everywhere basketball. Ryan will learn basketball in Philippines, okay?
There's a badminton court in front of Nolaya, the house.
Yeah.
No, sorry.
Basketball court. Give to Sai Babay.
Yeah. This one is Irish.
There are so many things that we have. It would be so good for them. They're like, oh my God,
Yeah.
we got this, we got
Ito, guys, hindi namin na mga nagamit na mga hand wash, then mga panglinis, ganun.
No. There is oil is there, Can you bring
Yeah, coconut oil. Ang gulo ng aming kitchen kasi yun nga, nag-ano si Daddy Ram nagpapak. Yeah, that one na lang. Both also. Yeah, that one we did not use. Ito, guys, mga expired na. So, itatapon na lang. Ayan, guys, busy na naman tayo ngayong araw na ito habang ang boys ay nagpapack pa rin ng mga gamit namin na pwedeng isend sa probinsya. Ako naman ay nagluluto habang naglalaba at nagsasampay. Kasi ilang araw na lang uwi tayo ng Pilipinas, diba? Kailangan ko na talagang labahan yung mga damit namin para mapack na siya and ready to go. Then, mamaya punta kami ng D-Mart. Kailangan namin mag-grocery ng mga spices or mga kung ano-ano pang kailangan namin para dalhin sa Pilipinas. Then, nandito din ang pinsan ni Ram. So, kailangan din niyang samahan yung pinsan niya kasi mag-iikot-ikot din dito sa Hyderabad bago bumalik ng US. So, sobrang busy this following days. Kaya natin to.
I'm walking down the street on clouds instead of the concrete I'm dancing through. Everything's about to come my way. Nothing can ruin my day. No matter what anyone does or say, I smile at fools. No, I don't care cause I am on my way up. And I won't stop, I won't slow down. Steady on my feet, I'm gonna rise up. No, I won't stop, it is my time. What it's like to be broke. I know what it's like when nothing goes your way. So I'm gonna let myself enjoy the fruit from this lucky day.
So for today, guys, yan yung mga ilalagay namin sa bus pauwi ng probinsya with Ryan Cycle. Then, ito na yung luggage na dadalhin natin sa Pilipinas. Tatlong ito, isang malaki, dalawang maliit, may laman na. Ang natira na lang ay itong isang malaki tapos isang maliit. Ready, guys? Let's go!
Come on, Ryan. Let's go. Do some grocery.
Dito kami sa baba ng bahay ng pinsan ni Ram, guys. May binigay lang si Ram doon sa pinsan niya. Medyo hindi daw maganda ang pakiramdam kasi biyahe ng biyahe, diba? Baka mamaya pa daw aalis. So, punta muna tayo sa D-Mart. Kami muna ang mamimili. Then, pag nakapagpahinga na yung pinsan ni Ram, mamaya sila lalabas. Ito na kami, guys. Malapit sa D-Mart. Medyo traffic dito, pero wala kasi masyadong tao ang D-Mart na ito. Unlike the other D-Mart na kung daming tao lagi. So, last D-Mart shopping.
Yeah.
Before,
Every month is to do it, right?
yeah, always, every month.
Yeah.
Huling silip. First one is tea.
Okay, let's go.
That's Daddy's favorite brand of tea. Let's go.
I've seen it before.
We always use that one, huh? Few packets, small packets maybe, so it won't spoil.
Small.
That's the one. Coriander seeds. They're above. No, that one is okay. It's okay. This one, right, baby? Elaichi. Is that good? Turmeric? Yeah. The tandoori chicken spices. Garam masala. I think there is also in Philippines, but better bring, right?
Yeah.
We don't use this kind of things. Chicken masala, meat masala.
Yeah.
Cumin seeds. Ito yung magandang lentils. Color orange. Maybe let's take the orange lentils. Okay, then the yellow one. Can you give me one? Jira. Thank you. Who wants to eat burger? Paborito din ito ni Ryan, guys. Si Ram nagbabayad doon. Kami mag-order ng burger and coffee. Mukhang masarap din ang cakes. Someone wants to play. Which one you want? Oh, okay, careful. Do you know how to play that game? Is it?
Not doing that one. It takes time.
I don't even know also. My turn. One.
Yeah.
Why?
Nah.
You said two here, right? Why like that?
Here's like, so whoever wins, they will go start here.
Yeah, no. If it's okay, one. Then I'll go up.
No, he's saying that whoever.
Look.
It's not like
First
that.
it's like this. Then
The rock papers. Yeah, it's
I
correct.
win. I get here, then I
No,
roll again, then I
both
come
should
here.
start here, right? Both should start here.
No, it's not like
And
that.
then,
That's not my
one.
way. That's not my way, okay?
Why are you cheating me, guys? Huh?
I hate this.
Why are
I
you
told
including
you
yourself,
I should
Daddy? This is our game, okay?
See, I told you I should have do it. I would get 3, but because of you, I got 6.
Okay, you do it. 3. No, you do it. Okay, you will give. I don't want it. Yeah, no one. Why? He did not shake it actually. Put like that. It's wrong and I should try again. No, he did not do it properly. Do it again.
Okay, we can play again, right? Oh, see, Mommy, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Sila naman ang nag-aaway. Wala talagang gustong patalo.
Stop it! You're not.
Because
I know it.
Cheating each other.
he's not.
Nanalo siya. Congratulations! High five, Ryan! High five! Yeah! Food is here. Thank you. We'll play later again, okay? Masarap yung burger nila dito, guys. One of our favorite talaga. Then, cappuccino. Have some. Come on.
Coffee is so yummy. Where's the burger?
Hot? It's hot. Kumain na kami ng lunch, guys. Actually, before leaving home, we ate already. What?
Stack.
Kaya konti lang yung aming in-order. Share lang kami. Kasi busog pa. Do you remember which burger are you ordering here. She said this is their bestseller. That's why I ordered that one. How is it, Nana?
Their burger is always amazing, especially the bread is so good. It's good, I know.
It's like crunchy.
Mommy, it's so crunchy.
Hmm?
Chicken on the red on bacon, right?
No. It's written there, chicken.
Are you scared of bacon?
It's good, right? What's your plan, Daddy? You'll drop us here, Sarat Mall.
Yeah, go to Bawagaru. From there we have some work. After finish work, I will give you a call. Otherwise, if we finish, let me know.
Okay, we can take auto also, no problem.
Yeah, if you're nearby,
It's near
maybe
only.
I'll drop you guys and you can, otherwise we'll take on it.
Kasi gusto kong i-check yung lens card. Kasi gusto ko nang palitan itong glasses ko. Medyo na siya. Hindi na siya masyadong malinaw. So at least we have few days na pwede ko pa siyang kunin or ma-order. Say bye to Daddy Ryan.
Bye, Daddy.
Bye, Daddy.
Bye,
See you later.
Bye, see you. Careful guys, eh?
Yeah. Bye. Rectangular shape pa rin yung hinahanap ko, guys. And black color. Or any neutral color. Ayan, how is it? Looks nice. Nice, eh? Hanap pa tayo ng iba. Ito parang maganda. Ayan, how is this? Huh?
Buy one for one. If you get that one for me, one.
Salip talaga sa sarili niya.
Can you check if you have other color?
Yeah. It's actually nice. Kaya lang may blue and green. Oh. Ayoko naman. Pero very comfortable siya. Wala silang ibang kulay. It's too big for you. Ayan. How about this? Ganda. Gusto ko to. Ay. Ito yung isa. Sukat natin. Parang mas gusto ko yung isa or gusto ko yung dalawa. Jara! Ito na yung pinili ko. Itong dalawa. Ice cream time! Thank you! Sit down. Yummy, right? Yummy, yummy in your tummy? Maybe we'll take auto na. Daddy will take time, it seems. Come here, Nana, a little closer to me. Let's go! Auto ride! Oh, may nagtinda na naman pala ng vegetables dito. Oh. Fresh vegetables. Tired? Napagod siya kakalakad. See? Leaf curries. Ang fresh. You wanna play in the playground? You wanna play with your friends? Later? You're tired. Okay. Ayan guys, sa wakas, sa bahay na kami ni Ryan, si Daddy Ram. Nag-iikot-ikot kasama ng pinsan niya. It's already almost 6 o'clock. Nagtatrabaho-trabaho lang ako. And yung nabili ko guys, isang sunglasses and isang normal na eyeglasses lang. Kasi yung nag-iisa kong sunglasses na binili ko pa sa Dubai, marami na siyang scratches and hindi ko na talaga siya magamit. So, I decided na okay, bumili ng sunglasses since kailangan ko naman talaga. And ang problema ko kasi, yung sunglasses ko, kailangan may grade din siya. Or else hindi ako makakita ng maayos pag suot ko yung sunglasses. And then, ito nga, itong eyeglasses ko naman, medyo ano na siya guys, marami na siyang gasgas. Nahihirapan na akong makakita. So, bumili ako ng bago. And gustong gusto ko talaga siya. Buti na lang may mga nagustuhan ako kasi minsan ang hirap pumili. Pero ayun, diba, mainit sa Pilipinas at least pwede na tayo. And more gastos arrive guys. Today lang din naman ito in order. Let's unbox the Amazon packages. First item, napaka-importante, Kashmiri chili powder. Kasi ito guys, sa Amazon lang talaga namin ito nabibili. Dito sa mga grocery shops, hindi. So talagang in-order namin ito and at least same day delivery siya. Expiration date, November 2025. So, isang taon lang to. And usually, it takes so long for us to finish this 400 grams of chili powder. So, sana hindi ma-expire. Kasi hindi lang masyado magluluto ng Indian food. Si Daddy Rob lang kakain. And this, tempered glass. Nag-order si Daddy Ram ng tempered glass. Action camera. Ito ba ay para sa GoPro? Nag-order ako ng para sa GoPro. Pero bakit ang nakalagay dito ay cellphone? Kaloka. Ano ba? Sasauli ko ito ang cellphone at kaloka sila. Kasi yung bago yung GoPro natin, di ba? Kailangan ng tempered glass. Ooh. Parang pang GoPro nga. Lalagay ko yan mamaya. And then, what else? Ito secret ito. Kaya diram yan. Then, nag-order din ako ng battery ng ating GoPro kasi kailangan ng more battery. Ayan. Original ito guys. Napaka-maharlika. Ang dami nating gastos today. Pero kailangan natin para sa ating biyahe sa Pilipinas. Charot! May ganun. Oo, kasi nga, diba, most of the time, cellphone at saka GoPro lang yung aking ginagamit pag nagbablog ako. Eh, yung GoPro na lulubat agad, isa lang yung battery ko dahil nga isa lang yung kasama pag bumili ka ng bagong GoPro. Eh, bigay lang yan ng ano ni Ram, hinsan. Alam mo naman ma-request kami. Dagdagan mo naman ng battery. Siyempre, hindi na diba? So, kami na yung bumili ng battery. Wow, I'm so happy. Tatlo na yung battery ng GoPro ko. Makakapahinga na yung isa. At least. Sana mag-work ito. I-charge ko muna. Yun lang, guys. It's coming now, Nana. Can you get the trolley? We need to put those boxes in the bus.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay.
Thank you.
Welcome.
Try in ground floor and B1. Kaya kanina akala ko guys for phone siya kasi itong box nakalagay phone pero di pala. Para sa GoPro nga. Ilalagay ko na siya para may screen protector naman. Then bibili ako nung cover talaga para sa GoPro para hindi siya ma-scratch.
Mommy,
No, not there.
it's want a new one.
It's okay, we'll see later once Daddy come back. Ryan already checked the trolley. It's not there.
Check again. Before we going still out sometime.
Okay, okay.
Let me fashion up.
Did you forget anything?
The demand one?
Yeah.
Yes, yeah.
Oh, it's there. I thought you forgot. I did not see. Okay, the Amazon stuff also came.
Came already?
Yeah.
That one,
My battery came. I'm so happy.
This
GoPro
one only?
battery. Yeah.
I told you 3.
Oh, it's okay. Same day delivery or tomorrow it will arrive. That's your secret. I did not show them. I unboxed stuff, but no trolley. What will do?
Will you carry? Then give me the check.
This check?
Ryan, come on. Bring this one. The yoga mat and the other one.
Stop wearing this shirt because of my biceps. Now I lean down a bit, but still.
Ryan, where that is going, Nana? Shoes, nice clothes. Where is he going? Just dropping this one and now we're going somewhere else.
Going somewhere else.
Huh?
I'm going.
Going somewhere else? Wait for a while, Nana.
Anybody there?
Grabe yung mga muscles natin dyan, Daddy Ram. Cycle will be on that side. Then you will sit on the other side, Nana, okay? And give that one to Daddy. Boss like a boss. Ryan like a boss. Nandito na kami guys sa bus stop. Hinihintay namin na dumating yung bus. Malapit na daw. Ayun si Daddy Ram nasa labas. Para makita niya agad kung dumating na. Say bye to your cycle.
Cycle, I will miss you. I will miss you very much.
I miss you very much. Dito ulit kami sa bahay ni Ryan guys. Nahatid na natin ang boys sa kanilang gustong puntahan. Matagal pa yun si Daddy Ram. Sunduin ko na naman sila mamaya. So, let's do shout out, Ryan. Okay?
Shout out to Michael Angelo Suazo and Jane Parrell.
Mommy's turn. Shout out to Alice Balagon, Ate Teres' friend. Hi po. And shout out to Olivia Buyong and Kate Dolorfino family.
Bye guys. Like, share, subscribe. Like, share, ring the bell icon. Bye. See you, Pukas. Peace. Peace.